Alright, here we have a Kia Rio from 2017. And we're gonna take a look on where the OBD port location is on the Kia Rio from 2017. So let's step inside the car here. And actually on this latch here it says fuse and OBD, but on this one the OBD is not located here, but on some Kia Rios it is, but on this one it's actually below here. So for example, if we open this latch here, it's only the fuses, but anyway the OBD is below, so it's pretty easy to find. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye bye.